Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Hurela Hair. Inside the package, I received some lashes, a bonnet, wig cap, and some more stuff. The wig that I received is an ombre 13x4 frontal 24-inch wig. For this wig install, I'll just be showing you guys how I cut the lace and do the baby hairs. If you ever have trouble finding the right place to put your lace down on your client's hairline, the best thing to do is make a dotted line so you can know exactly where to place the lace. As you guys can see, this lace is transparent and a bit thicker, so I will be applying a small layer of glue on top of the lace. Continue watching for more clips on how I cut the lace. After, I'll be explaining how I style the baby hairs. After I cut off all the lace, I applied makeup to the lace, but I did apply more than normal because of how thick the lace was. Then I used my bed head holding spray and applied the elastic band to the hairline. When I was cutting the baby hairs, I did end up cutting them a little bit shorter than normal because I did 3 on each side instead of 2. When you're curling the baby hairs with your pencil flat iron, you want to make sure to hold the curl at the root so it can do a complete circle. This will make the baby hairs easier to swoop. For the baby hairs, I'm using Got2b Glue Gel and Cream of Nature Mousse. When I'm applying the gel to the baby hair, I use most of the gel on the end of the baby hair so that when I'm swooping them, they can stay down. When you're finished swooping all your baby hairs, you can use about 5 to 6 wrap strips and tie them down. You will know your baby hairs are completely dried when you touch down the side of the wrap strips and they are firm. Before hot combing, be sure to apply BioSilk or a product of your choice. This will give the hair a sleek and shiny look. The last step I do before every install is using the permanent marker and the makeup closest to my client's skin complexion to make the part look sharper. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.